all brainwashed. You can say you're not and remain lost. Then go and tell me just how much a chain costs. Everything revolves around me, you're my slave till you die. Think I can make you happy, that's not lying. On everybody's mind, just what everybody wants. Many people say they got me, in reality they don't. Cause wars, mass murder, made my own laws. The root of all evil, why your problems get caused. Everybody still loves me, I make your friends jealous. They all know what I do, but there's nothing you can tell them. They say they like you for you, but they're really after me. That's just the way it is, that's not the way it has to be. And as for me, you think I'll still be there when you die? I can give you anything, I can't buy your life. Come off the man, come off the hour. If you wasn't chasing money, they wouldn't have power. Everybody's like
przypomina mi monetę, gdzie podział się blask dawnych lat, brat, nie wiem. Progres jest w normie, rozwój w formie to pekiel. Problem żyć skromnie, rozwój dorwie czy w krechę. Marzenia o raju w moim kraju są dalekie, więc nie mam zwyczaju nawet na haju pójść na siekę. Dążenia nadają memu życiu pewną cechę, by konsekwentnie przedzierać każdą rzekę. Łachama, kiedy tu rapa pan, chytry układa plan i chwyta tu za mic, nakłada gnój make-up, hajsów chuj wake up. Ciężki dureń szam, taką naturę ma, na cenzurę sram, jak na ten złoty Rolex, za który pojeb jak pelikan łykał pistolet. Rozkurwić hajs, nie trudno jest ziomek, problem tę flotę mieć z powrotem. Laying in the booth, so where's the man to go when you're just trying to get the truth? Chat about the bricks they stack and spit about the chicks they mac. Sure I've seen these hoes on other videos, but that they models on retainer and just working for the label. Plus the cars are rented and fake cash up on the table. Selling you a lifestyle, only bozos don't get it. Heard that it's been said, another born every minute. Seems like they got some men as insecure as women. They fussing and they fighting, just be tighter than I'm spitting. When I was growing up, Wu-Tang was full of children, so now I'm losing hope, the type of future that they're building. Trying to get you aiming for the fame without the payoff, and then they take off with all the cake you made them on the day off. Am I the only one who's feeling this is funny? Just following shows and views should all lead to the money. Wielu braci spotkał taki los od systemu chorego, jak tak dalej leć mi to. Wjeżdża Pustaw na twój rejon i przejmuje go, więc dawaj to spielimy grubą pęgą, czytaj Supply im boss, w moich wersach tylko prawda, I stay true till I die. Nieraz bywa pusta kapsa, z nieba mi nie leci haj. Dalej trzeba zapracować, myśleć jak zarobić krocie, a więc ciągle biegam, bo chcę wpaść na zlocie. Już przecież mi nie daje, ale w sercu mi pomaga. Inwestuj w swój dramet, ode mnie dobra rada. Jak ktoś mądry już powiedział, jak masz jaja jebniesz milion. Spełnię swe marzenia, kieruj się w swym sercu nisko. Opet nawijak bez końca, pieniądz bardzo częsty temat. Ten wszystko dla potomka, czego w życiu zawsze śmiał. Trzeba działać tak by mieć, a nie tylko o tym gadać. Spełniaj się w tym co robisz, życzę farta siostry bracia. I was sitting here strictly to enrage and provoke a whole different class of trash. Cats claiming they got cash, when in fact, exact opposite, but they still gon' spit a bunch of lies. So I ask, why do you do this, guy? Frontin' on your money, think it's funny, you a dummy, always looking really bummy with your fake flow. Oh, you need to switch it up, get your bucks up. I'm the bearer of bad news, sorry your luck's up. You're fucked up, lied about your game, never looked at the same. Now an empty shell is all that remains. Another plain Jane, straight down the drain. Call me the vocal plumber, sapp is my name. Loyalty, honesty, integrity, respect.